And today I'm going to be talking about Scout, the Boy Scout handbook. What's not really book because it's a handbook. What's fine because I'm taking Boy Scouts soon, and yeah. So there's certain chapters that I would like to talk about. I want to find one that I really enjoy. I get the one that I read a lot. I'm trying to get to the ones I already went on. The ones I know. Oh, tools. Yeah. No, that's cooking. Now this is navigation. Where's tool? Oh, yeah. This is tools. So tools, you have to find a way to get tools instead of a screwdriver. Like, you don't have to tie a knot to, like, pull a log or something to your troop. Because your troop is, like, your team. And it's about, like, how to survive out in the forest or in the ocean or somewhere that, where you'd be stranded on, but with your team. You gotta find a way to survive throughout, but you have to be there for at least 4 months to be a good Boy Scout person. But yeah, in Boy Scout you can do many stuff like swim, you go canoeing. There's no adults on a team. Maybe the troop, there's numbers of them, but excuse me. And you need numbers to, if they call you in for something, to clean up this one thing, or yeah. Usually, I'm not sure how much are in one troop. I'm thinking about 4 through 12 in one troop is what I think. You have to learn how to build your tent. And this is a different tent because it's a lot bigger to fit. Oh, let's see how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My estimate was correct. And the tools, I need to show you this real cool. I need to get to this page. Okay, if you're in Boy Scout, you'll be equipped with this. A pocket knife. Why would you do that? You can murder people. That's true, you could, but you don't. But you're not allowed to. See, this part of the blade is the awl. So it's to cut potatoes, fruits, and stuff. This is a screwdriver. You know what a screwdriver does. Cannon bottle opener, you know what it does. The main blade is to cut trees, to make wood for your tent. You had to make your thing and had to make a campfire. And a flathead screwdriver, which I'm not sure what it does because it has flathead. And this is a scout knife. For a second, I thought this is what you use as a knife, but it turns out this is the scout knife, not this. But I don't know what that is. So then you have to find a way to make a fire. It's going to be kind of complicated to explain, but there's one part I want to show you guys in tools. No.
Face the camera. On the side.
So, you also get to be equipped with an axe. Yes, an axe. Which is to cut wood or stuff like that. No. This is the axe. Yeah. And, I want to find this one part. Oh, I don't know. The aqua, the water, water. First aid. The first aid. So it's possible for people to not be able to breathe, or you have to treat them quickly. And I'm trying to get to the first page. Oh yeah, first aid, chapter 4. Chapter 4, we're on page 126. And there's some parts where you stop breathing. This guy has a broken foot, which that's gonna hurt, and they have to learn how all these things in the book is what they have to learn how to do. Actually, that's a lot. I mean, I bring this on the way to Boy Scout, honestly, if I forget some stuff. And there's always a first aid kit in there, which I don't know what's in there. Really, I honestly don't know what's in there. Band-aids or something. And now I'm going to find this part I'd like to show. Oh, this guy is choked on his food. And I find this one part in here. I find this one page I'd like to show. Objects in the eye. If something is high, you have to pour water, get it out. A lot of flies go into my eye, like, ow. I'm always afraid to still in my eye. Because we don't know yet. I'm afraid of bugs. Honestly, I can't even touch one. I really can't. It's like, when I find a roly-poly right here, it went on my finger. I shaked it off. I went to wash my hands with bleach. That's how afraid I am of them. And I think that's a good idea. But you get to go canoeing out in the ocean if you're older, like literally out in deep in the ocean, like far out. So, let's see. And also this one thing that's nonsense. You know the Boy Scout, right? They give you all the tools like this. But if you're straight out in the wild, you won't have that stuff. You won't have a pocket knife. You won't have an axe. That's the thing. You won't have plastic to wrap it. You won't have any paper to write down stuff. You won't have all that food. You have to go hunt for them, not just get out of your backpack. So that's the thing about it. So that's like kind of nonsense for Boy Scout, because you might not have any of those stuff. Okay, so we're in aquatics. Yeah, you can say that. And you have to swim a mile. Mile swims. So, there are many ways. This right here is a float. I mean, I already knew it because I pretended it was an air chair. But I was to lean forward. But you have a glide, which is easy. Please down. How are you going to breathe? But if you don't breathe, then you have to do this. You just do this. You just do this. If you had, or you could just stand up. That's kind of weird. It's kind of like an awkward way. These are swimming positions. I don't want to review them because it's way too much for me to teach you guys. Look, how much is there? Yeah, so the swimming test to see if you could swim good. And there's always a life thing on you. Oh my gosh. And this says throw a ice cooler. If a person's drowning, throw an ice cooler or this one thing. It said, why an ice cooler? You know how big those things are? It's like those big bins, like this big, made out of plastic that holds the ice and water bottles. Why throw that? And they said it could help you float. But what if it lands on you? If it lands on you, you're for sure drowning because of the weight. You can't get up. Make sure you empty it at least. That cooler is also going to sink. And there's this woodcraft section, which I'm like going through. I didn't really do the woodcraft. Oh, camping. Camping is all this fun stuff that you always like, but you only have like one bottle of water. Oh, cooking. I really like the cooking. So, many things to cook. I mean, I like these fruits. These are good. But like, how would you get all this stuff? How would you get a metal pan? Oh, you just take it out of your pants. And if you're stranded, like, huh? And and then all of a sudden, you find a wood pan. A pan? No. And how did they get macaroni? Like, this one thing I really want to know. How do they get all of this?
Okay, wrap it up now.
So after this time,
30 minutes, yeah, Cass.
it's been like, kind of long.
Yeah, will you have part 2?
Yeah, part 2 would be good. Bye for now.